Welcome to the George William Hopper Law Library Virtual Library Tour on Restatements. Restatements of the law are an attempt to reorganize the body of case law on particular topics. After reviewing the body of case law on a subject from all jurisdictions, the authors of the American Law Institute restate the basic tenets of the law and illustrate its usage. These restatements go through many drafts and a lengthy review process before they are finalized. When a restatement is part of the holding of a court in your jurisdiction, it is effectively primary law. The topics covered by restatements are those dominated by common law, that is, case decisions. For a first-year student, the most recognizable will be contracts, property, and torts. Restatements for these topics are published as individual sets. A set would include the base volumes that contain the content and several appendix volumes that provide annotations of cases that have cited or adopted the restatement sections. Some of these sets do not have a separate index. To look up a topic in Restatements of the Law Second Torts, for example, find the last volume of the base set for Torts Second, covering sections 708 through the end, and look up your keyword. This should refer you to the section that covers your topic, such as section 652A in our example. However, it may refer you to the index at the back of one of the other volumes. When you locate the appropriate section within the set, you will see a statement of the general principle, a set of comments on the principle, and illustrations on how the principle is applied. As noted, the appendices list court decisions that have cited or used the restatement sections. The appendix volumes cover particular years. They are organized by jurisdiction within the restatement section within the span of years of the appendix set. Some of the older sets of restatements, such as Restatement of the Law Second Torts, have many more appendix volumes than actual restatement content. Because the appendix sets are not cumulative, a researcher would need to check all appendix volumes for their particular restatement section to see whether courts in his or her jurisdiction have adopted the restatement. Though generally not freely available, Hein Online, Lexis, and Westlaw provide electronic access to the restatements. You may search all of the sets of restatements at one time, and the content in the print appendix volumes is accumulated. This example is taken from Westlaw. Use restatements when you know your topic is an issue of common law. Use restatements when you are seeking a very solid authority in your research. Use restatements when you want a clear description of the law and examples as to how it is applied. And use restatements when you want binding and persuasive primary authority on your topic.